before we do anything, breaking news.
This is CNN Breaking News.
We begin with the breaking news this morning. The United States Supreme Court ruling that former President Donald Trump cannot be removed from any state's ballot for his actions on January 6th.
I think the real breaking news here, oh, pipe down. They know better than the Supreme Court. In all my years of law school, I couldn't believe the arguments. I think the real breaking news here is Wolf Blitzer and I appear to be merging. We are becoming one. Blitzer! By the way, the Supreme Court, 9-0. The ruling was let Donnie cook. So, let that be a lesson to all you out there who might be thinking about subverting the Constitution in a presidential election. You go, boy. For more on the Supreme Court's ruling, we turn to our own Desi Lydic live at the Supreme Court. Desi, thank you for joining us down there tonight. I warned you before you do your report. Audience filled with law students. So, Desi, Democrats have to be disappointed in this ruling.
Yes, Democrats are doing more shower crying than normal today, John. But they are still confident that a conviction in the January 6th trial can keep Trump out of the White House.
But Desi, that's seemingly not likely going to happen before Election Day.
Right. But fortunately, Trump has 3 other criminal trials coming up. One of those has to be a conviction, so Democrats are optimistic.
But Trump can still be president if he's convicted. I mean, none of the cases would stop that.
Right. I'm glad you brought that up, John. Democrats say if none of these cases go their way, there is still another avenue to pursue. The
getting more votes scenario.
Yet. They were going to lay Reese's Pieces out in a trail that leads into a golden tent labeled Mar-a-Lago that can only be zipped from the outside. Or they discussed making him the next Golden Bachelor. Once he's surrounded by women his own age, Democrats believe he will spontaneously combust.
I still think the more votes...
Democrats find a witch. The witch turns Donald Trump into a bird. The bird isn't there on Election Day, having already migrated to a warmer climate.
Desi, the election's obviously tight. The battleground states are going to be difficult, but clearly there is a path to victory for Democrats, even if narrow.
Oh, yes. You're talking about sending Trump an Apple Vision Pro preloaded with porn, so he'll be too busy masturbating to campaign.
That can work, actually. Desi Lydic, everybody.